Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Hello internet, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, welcome back to my channel again. Today it's a nice sunny day. I'm gonna take you guys to one of my favorite roads where I usually prefer to ride for a peace and relax. The neighborhood is pretty nice and greenery, but the roads where we are going right now is pretty much even more beautiful than this one. So let's get started. Very mature trees in and around. Very beautiful houses, by the way. Today I have installed my Insta360 camera also, so that we can get a nice 360-degree view. Let's see how that comes out. First time I'm trying out. I'm hoping for good shots with that. Okay, there you go. The city name is Riverwood, village of Riverwood. This city has quite a beautiful scenic motorcycle riding roads, very scenic ones. Edward Racing Conservation Area. So this is the one of my first top riding roads. Speed is a little lower, 20 miles per hour. Keep it slow and nice. Yeah, I come here for my bicycle riding, motorcycle, even for the walk. So I like to spend time in the nature, especially this is covered both sides. So very peaceful to walk and ride. It's just that, you know, you need to be very cautious and riding slow, because people will be walking on the trail which cross this road a couple of places. Construction traffic. Something going on here, a lot of constructions. Well, that's a part of the life. Let's turn around. I want to take you guys to the other road. What a beautiful road. It's hard to find such roads in Midwest. Maybe common in many other areas, but yeah, in Midwest, very few we have. So this is the second favorite road I have, which I would like to show it to you guys. A very narrow road, but it's fun to ride motorcycle in this road. But you have to be a little bit careful as it's a single lane, relatively a little higher traffic. This road is called Port Wine Road. Wow, beautiful.
I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.